guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you all how I apply my gel polish to get longevity and strength in my press-on nails. So I'm starting out with this Igelinfity base coat. This is another one of my favorite base coats besides the Igelinfity. And so what I like to do is I like to apply my gel polish from tip to base and then from base to tip. That way it's giving an even coat on the tip and the base. And then sometimes I like to tilt my nail stand upside down just so everything can level out and you can have a smooth, even coat of polish. So I like to do this twice. I cure it once, then I go back in, either go from tip to base and base to tip, whichever way I did the first time. I just do the opposite, and then I go in with the second I cure it again, and then I go in with that same technique, either base to tip or tip to base. So you want to do that to create the strength of the nail. Is why I apply 2 layers of the base coat, and then it just gives me that longevity of my color, the base polish. So here, this is just a one polish tutorial showing you what if I did my own press on nails like I have on in the video, just a one solid color press on nail tutorial, just showing you how I like to apply my gel polish so that I get longevity. And these nails will last you up to 2 to 3 weeks. Any of my press on nails have lasted me 2 to 3 weeks, just because I pick a length that is catered to what I do every day. I also make sure I'm protecting my nails by anytime I'm in water. I wear gloves. Trying to create that longevity is key. People say press-on nails can't last, but if you're looking to get long nails and you're out here constantly dealing with your hands all day, then yes, you are prone to have your nails pop off. It is also in the application. It is also in what you do on a daily basis. But again, here, layers is like I always say, layers is key. And so I'm just replicating this, my idea of pearl nails. I wanted to create that Beiber, I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong, look. And so I found this deep tone pearl polish, which gives me like if it's like a white base, and then I can go in and put that chrome polish on, that chrome powder on there, which in this instance I do not have to use chrome powder. I get that white look and that pearlized look without having to have 2 different products. I get it all in one bottle. So that is why I love this polish. So again, this is just a very simple look and showing you how to do your own DIY one color nail polish tutorial. And this color is so pigmented, I did not need 2 coats to get the desired look. But again, we are wanting that longevity and strength of our press on nails to give us lasting power. So yes, I will let you all finish watching and enjoy this tutorial. When applying the polish especially on a nail stand, you want to make sure that you move your press-on nail stand from side to side, or take the nail off of the stand, because you want to make sure you are evenly coating both the sides of the press-on nail. Sometimes when I'm polishing, I could go back and see that I missed a little spot on the side of the nail. So make sure you are going back and forth, turning that press-on over from side to side, getting the desired look that you are looking for.
I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. So baby, beg, baby, please, please. Wanted you to raise my mind. I got the keys. I just figured you could make time. stay home intoxicated. Oh, yeah. I wanted you to raise mine. I wanted you to raise mine. Girls love Beyonce. Girls love to fuck with your conscience. Girls hate when niggas go missing. It's chalky, you ain't no different. These days it's hard to meet women. Feel like my love life is finished. I've been avoiding commitment. That's why I'm in this position. I'm scared to let somebody in on this. No friends, no. You know how this shit go. You got your fair share. They call you up, they call your phone. You try to act like it's just me, but I'm not alone. But if you're alone, then say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you, but you ain't rocking, girl. Say my name, you like the captain straight ahead. Baby, you out of sight. Say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name, no one is around you. Yeah. Say my name, say my name. 'Cause those other men are practice. This ain't no time for acting. This ain't no time for games. This ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for...
Okay, here you will see me going in from base to tip. Again, we are doing that process to create even layers and smoothness across each nail. So remember, base to tip and tip to base.
My young boys round me scream, get money and fuck these hoes. Where we learn these values, I know what to tell you. I'm just trying to find a reason not to go out every evening. I need someone that will help me be with someone besides myself. I need someone I leave through the front door. We wanna hide no more, crush that shy no more. Neither of us wanna put aside no more. No, not alone, nothing was the same. Get your ass alone, let me make you say my name.
Alright ladies, this look is so simple, so simple, so easy to do. If you're having a night out or you have something to do, you just want to everyday wear, this is a quick little tutorial on how to apply press-on nails that will last, give you strength and longevity of a press-on nails without them bending, transforming shape. Because usually I find when I buy press-on nails from a drugstore, Walmart, wherever I decide to pick up press-on nails, beauty supply store, those nails end up always turning into a new shape by the time I'm finished wearing them. And so it's like that, I just don't like that. And then sometimes that little printed design that they've put on there starts to fade away. And so what I love about it is that custom press on nails is that you do not have that problem. I've never had my polish to chip, never had it to come off or anything. Everything has been long lasting and has lasted for a long time. Great quality. So I highly suggest you all get into making your nails. So yes, this is the final look, and I will see you all in the next video.
I bet if I your heart, I bet if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Gonna